That's cool. Old school, old school.
Yeah, old school. Old school talaga, tapos yung mga uniform pa nila, ganun.
Oo. That's cool. I wanna see it.
Meron siyang 3 movies actually.
What's the other one? Basketball?
Basta basketball. Basketball ba lahat? Oo yata.
Dad mo?
Oo.
Hindi ko alam.
Of course.
Basta alam ko yung isa sumikat.
Last
Sobra.
2 minutes.
Ha?
Yung yung title.
Sumikat na
I think it's on YouTube.
Yeah. All of it?
Maybe. Hindi naman ganun kahaba ata eh.
How old was...
Do you know, ano ba yun? Sino ba yun? De los Santos. Tamo, si de los Santos. Ano ba yun? Yung diba? Siya ba yun? Yung nagigitara? Ba yun? Ay, hindi. Sino ba yun? Yung bata kasi
Ha?
yung tomboy.
Aisa Sigera.
Aisa pala. Do you know her?
Oh, galing niya.
She's the one who...
So good.
Kasama ng dad ko sa isang movie. Pero 9 years old pa siya. Super girly girl.
She's the one who
Napanood
was
ko
a
concert
child
nila, yung
star.
fashionista.
Yeah.
Ito.
Fashionista.
And then
And
she
now
came out.
Galing.
She told everyone that she was lesbian,
Yeah.
and then she didn't become
Ay,
famous
sige.
anymore. But
now
now she is famous
She
again.
is-
Yeah.
I heard about her.
Maliit lang.
9 years
tomboy
old.
siya.
Siya.
Oh, yeah.
Short
What's
hair.
her name?
And singing pa yung dad ko. Kumakanta kaya yung dad ko nung sumasigaw ko sa movie niya. Na yun.
Aisa? Oo, that's wit.
How old
Grabe.
is she now?
Witty.
I don't know. Ilan taon na siya? Aisa.
I don't know. 20, 23, ganyan.
Talaga?
Around that age. Ata. No?
More
23, 24.
late 20s siguro.
Sorry ha, mali ako ng 2 years.
Sa kakatawa. Alala ko yun, no, pag pinapaano yun sa TV, tawa kami ng tawa. Lalo yung last 2 minutes.
You think they're doing that with you now?
What?
Laughing at you?
Yeah? Lalo yung mga, pole dancing stuff. Mga ballroom. Oh my gulay. Come on.
Ako din.
Especially my tennis friends, for sure. Come on.
I'm wearing a freaking dress and heels, man.
Tapos yung concert, hindi, okay pa yung concert, pero pole dancing, I would never thought of doing that in front of
I think, mamaya, the things that we're gonna do are...
and singing. Oh my gosh, pinagtatawanan ako kumanta.
Last not the least.
Kakanta ako.
I still think it's gonna get worse. Okay then.
Basta sa labas, I don't sing pag madaming tao. Pag hindi ko kilala yung mga tao. I'm like,
Oh, now everyone's heard you sing.
Oo nga.
Angels we have heard of that.
Na, 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 na.
Away in the manger. Pero yung boses niya, bagay na bagay.
Yeah,
Away in the
yeah.
manger.
Fire type.
The little light Jesus.
That's so shiny he makes.
mo.
Am I like that? Alright.
Lord Jesus, no crying he makes.
The bright sky.
Down where he
None. Ano?
The little Lord Jesus,
Mali!
asleep
Yung sa gitna.
on the hay.
Hey.
Na eh.
Hey.
Bahok?
They're crippled toes.
No crippled.
When they come around, they're so weird. Whenever I see your toes, they're always like this. Except for these two. These ones
Oh.
are normal.
She has habits of always moving her toes. eh.
Oh, always that. I think that's why your chinelas hindi comfortable.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Kasi you always move your feet. Gusto ka nito?
I like moving.
Switch ka. I like ganyan slippers. My sweater. Every time you talk, I'll copy your facial expressions, okay? So that we can, you understand.
Pag ano si Pamu. Ganon.
Ganyan, hindi ko ba kaya sa emotional.
Lagi kaya, no?
There. Ano ba yun?
Sino?
Mama.
Ano?
There.
Oo.
Si Bigel, ang hirap ng ginawa mo.
Oo. Sige. You're like Popeye. Popeye.
Bakit? Hindi ko makita yung sura si Bigit mataka.
You're like Popeye. When you're older, when you do that, I bet it'll be...
Bakit? Nakakatawa?
Rat.
Whoa, that's you! Kuya, weekly task na rat, kuya. One more time.
No, I will kill it.
I would love to have rat soup for dinner.
Ew. Ikaw na lang.
Forget about saving it.
Para pang ulam daw natin.
Yun nga sabi ko eh.
Ha?
Meeting?
Oh, dito.